feel it, baby? Just let it be Keisha. Cause I can feel it, baby.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this video is going to be how I wear my locks in uniform. As you can see, I took off the extended portion because I can't wear a uniform. It makes my hair too bulky. So I used to just wear it on weekends and go about my business. But yeah, these locks are really old, but I have to go to work, so I gotta make it do what it do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these locks into an military approved style. So I'm not gonna talk anymore, I'm just gonna go. So just watch me. Ready to start my day. So this is what it looks like. And luckily, because of the new regulation, I can wear it like this, because at first we couldn't wear ponytails in this uniform. But now we can. It can't go past our shoulder blades. So yeah, you just make sure it's all nice and neat and tucked. And I use multiple scrunchies just to make sure that everything is in place. And that's literally how you do it. And even if you want to go a little bit further, you can add these to the original ponytail to make it hide a little bit more. But other than that, I wore this to work, and yeah, still looks professional. Don't look crazy. It's not all out. You know, I could have it lower because it is a little high, but I could have it lower if I wanted to. But this is just what works for me, and you know, I'm ready for the day. I'm ready to get to work. I'm ready to start, you know what I'm saying? So, and it's really quick and easy. It doesn't take long to do this hairstyle. And it still allows you to have some type of freedom when it comes to your different hair selections. So I do like that. And yeah, it's really cute. Very cute. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.
Can you feel it, baby? Just let it be K-Shot.